Alright guys, so let's take a look at how to tackle your reading when it is time. So we'll tell you what chapter or chapters you're reading for that day. Let's look at your tasks. This will be the same for all of the books, or all the characters that you're reading about in the book. Okay, so first you're going to go to some vocabulary. It's important that we know the words that we're about to read. So you're hopefully watching these directions. Here you have these different words. I would like you to just read them out loud to yourself. For instance, the first one is altar, array, structure on which sacrifices to a god are made. I know it's a little bit small, you might need to make it a little bit bigger. Read them out loud to yourself. Then down here, pick one of those words and either pick an image, so you can copy and paste one on there, or write a quick story about that word. And I mean really quick, right? The man stood on the altar as church was about to begin, or like whatever you want to do, okay? So something quick like that, okay? So that is your goal for vocab. You need to know these words before you read. Otherwise, it's not going to make sense what you're reading. Okay, so that's step one, take care of that vocab. Step two, we go down here and we click on our character. Now, this is Kim. You can see her name right here. If you click on it, it will go to a video of the audio of her chapter and just her chapter, okay? You can also use the digital text if you would like, all right? And then we're going to do a character bio. So for here, it's asking her age and her ethnicity, or where she's from, what group she belongs to. That's going to be filled out for you. Your job as you are listening is to look for these things. Describe the character. And I have some sentence stems here that can help me. What do they look like? What do they talk like? Maybe some adjectives. Okay? Then, why does she garden? What is she there for? Here we have some more sentence stems. The character gardens because, right? Tell us what her purpose is. Excuse me, next is contributions to the garden. So plants or actions, what does this character do in the garden? And you're going to say here the character does blank for the garden, all right? And then finally, what is her impact on others? The character is important to other characters because or makes others feel. Those last two sentence stems will help you with this last question. So your job is to, number one, take care of vocab. Number two, listen to or read the chapter and fill out these questions as you go. Let me know if you have any questions. You guys are going to do great.